Hey, it's Gina from WTI. And are you prepared to drink out of any fresh body of water? Well, I am because I have this amazing set from Waterdrop. One of my favorite things about this is that it comes with a drinking straw that has a zero point 0.1 micron filter. That means that I can have confidence actually drinking out of this lake and know that I'm not going to have any bad consequences from it. Of course, this straw is reusable and it has a longer lifespan than others because it has an innovative backwash purifying system. It's very easy just to use the water pouch that comes with the straw, and do that back flush. It was also so convenient to have the bag. It holds up to 1.5 gallons of water, and then it's gravity fed through this tube into the straw, and then I could easily fill up our pots and pans and water bottles. It comes with a little water bag that I could fill with water and then just drink directly from that. There are so many wonderful ways to use this. Not only is it great for hiking and backpacking, also in addition to your survival gear, so having it in a go bag in your car or home, that way you don't have to worry about lugging huge amounts of water with you, and then just use whatever fresh water is available, whether that's a lake, a river, a puddle, whatever it is, it's going to be able to filter it out. I feel so prepared for any situation now that I have this whole set. I think you're going to love it as much as we have, and that's my point of view.